Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can blur your screen background while recording your screen using the Loom application on your device. So let us get started. So in the first step, launch the desktop application of Loom, and here in the screen recording control, switch to record or screen record, and from there what you want to do is navigate to the effects here at the bottom before you start the screen recording. Next, what you want to do is navigate to backgrounds and switch from none to blur. Instead of using any colors, for instance here as the background, or custom colors like clear background, which would be the opposite to the blurred background. You can also create a custom background if you like by uploading an image from your device, or use any from the library. But if you select blur instead of none or clear, the given background will be recorded with a blurring effect. Once you click into that arrow to the left icon, return to the previous menu and the controls, you may start your screen recording by clicking into this button with your screen background blurred. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.